Hello everyone. In this video we are going to understand why JavaScript files are important, how to create JavaScript file and how to execute it using Node.js. You might be wondering, can't I just write JavaScript directly in the browser console? Yes, you can, but imagine you are building a real application with hundreds or even thousands of lines of JavaScript code. Keeping all that code inside the browser console would be difficult to manage. That's where a JavaScript file comes in. A JavaScript file is simply a file where we can write and save our JavaScript code. For example, app.js. The .js extension tells us that this file contains JavaScript code. Using JavaScript file makes our code easier to write, organize, reuse, edit and maintain. And this is how we will normally work with JavaScript when building real projects. Let's create a JavaScript file right now. First, create a new folder for our project. So I will create a new folder using mkdir command. So cd documents mkdir space js hyphen basics, enter, and I will open the same folder. Let's create a new file inside this folder called app.js, and we have just created a JavaScript file. And let's try something. Console.log, console.log, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and in between you can write any text inside a single or double quotes or backticks. And save the file. That's it, we have just created a JavaScript file and it's time to execute. So to execute this, open the terminal again and write node space and name of your file, that is app.js, and as soon as I press enter, the whole file will execute and print the output in the terminal. So if I copy the same console.log and save it again, and if I run the command again, then I will get the updated output. Yeah, that's it for the video. From the next video onwards, we will be writing JavaScript inside .js files and running our programs using Node.js only. So in this video, we learned three important things. First is .js file is where we can save and organize our JavaScript code. Second is to create JavaScript file, and finally we use Node.js to run that file with node space app.js command. From the next video onwards, we will be writing JavaScript inside .js files and running our programs using Node.js only. So now our setup is ready. In the next video, we are going to learn about data types in JavaScript. So see you in the next video.